Okay.
So why you again want to use a camera when you are recording?
Hmm?
Why you want to use a
To
camera
compare.
when you are recording? Man, it's too narrow.
Another picture.
Yeah.
That's not really dangerous.
But it's like too narrow. They can make it somewhat broader.
Ay? Home. Camera. Okay. San. Okay.
Can you just come forward and like take with the entire bridge?
Okay.
You can just place the camera over the top. Yeah.
San. Okay.
Okay.
Take mine.
Yeah. How about probably on the other end?
Okay. Let's go there.
This is where you can just have the recordings.
Woo!
Right. I will try to take a picture from here, but I'm not sure. It's very shaky.
Oh, we can go on the stream.
Is it?
Yeah, see, there's a. Take me a picture.
Yeah.
Like this one.
Ooh. You can take me meanwhile too.
Yeah,
You
yeah.
can just like snap, snap, snap.
Let's go.
No, it's not.
Ooh.
Okay, just wait over here. I will take a picture. Come a bit forward because your face won't be that visible.
But I want my camera.
Okay, good. It looks good from the center, man. Come. You can check yours.
Wow. Now send me those pictures.
Definitely, man. I will send. So the pictures you have taken. Okay, probably you have taken in this position. You can take one with a wide angle like this
Okay.
after they go. And I will almost go the center because from center it looks much better. If we are around the center, probably the place where you stand, this looks much better
Yeah.
than at the corner. I will just go them so that you can take one with the background of them.
Okay. San. Another one. San.
Okay, one without them. Yeah, now one.
San. Okay.
Okay.
It's only one way.
It's like a swing.